Well, welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you guys are joining me today. And of course, the judge who ruled in the case against Trump in New York. We know how much this guy has had such a checkered past of the things that he has done. Remember about the half nude photos he was sending of himself to others in his alma mater that he was showing off. And then there were some other conflicts of interest, right? Like where he would his wife was busy on Twitter under an alias bashing Trump during the trial. Again, a clear ethics violation. And here, once we again have another ethics violation, which it could be criminal, that he actually had a relationship with a defense attorney in a case previous to this, where he was getting information from that secretary to rule against the defense clients. Absolutely scumbag this guy has been, and this is the person who ruled against Trump. Again, we saw the bias on full display during this trial between him and Lolita James during this trial, as they sat there and coordinated with the Biden regime to obviously try to bankrupt Trump, tried to and essentially take away his businesses in New York City. So before we dive into today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. Allow me to share some info with you. Hopefully you can share it with your friends and family. Smash that like button to 1,500 likes. If you like the content, you like the video, you like the channel, you can smash that join button, smash that super thanks. All of it helps out the channel. So thank you so much for your support. So let's take a look at this story over here. This is just breaking. Judge Arthur Engoron, accused of having a relationship with the secretary of opposing counsel in the previous case. So check this out. So we come down here. Nathan Lewin, a defense attorney for the Union of Orthodox Rabbis of the United States and Canada, said the court's January 23rd ruling against his client and several pretrial decisions is suspect because of that relationship of which he was not informed until late last month. Lewin is defending the rabbis in an $11 million defamation suit filed by the Helen Sayar Borough Park, who claims their decision is to allow her husband to remarry without requiring him to grant her a rabbi divorce and in effect label her unfit spouse. Lewin said in the court papers that the lawyer's secretary, Arthur Engoron, claims he only began dating the secretary of the opposing counsel, Christopher Sullivan, on May 10th. But Lewin said Sullivan's actions in the case may have been influenced by information he received from the woman, identified in the papers only as Sue. And Lewin noted that Engoron was drafting later decisions and communicating with that judge about the case during the time he was dating Sue. Schoenfield, at the request of the defendants, recused himself from the case July 1st after revealing that he had recently learned of that relationship. He said that Engoron's conduct raised ethical questions that he would report to the appropriate authorities. Lewin noted in his papers, Lewin said actions taken in this case may be criminal in nature and asked the court to conduct a full investigation. And of course, this won't make any headlines because they got to protect this creepy judge. This creepy judge right here, they need to protect because he's been tasked with taking Trump down. He's been tasked with Lolita James to take down Trump. So the media will do whatever they can in order to protect him, in order to continue to run cover for him with all that they can do. And so therefore, you won't see this in headlines. You won't see this in the mainstream media. So it's important for you guys to be able to share this information as much as you're able to. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Of course, you guys can follow me on all my social media, all linked in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day.